All right. We have an afternoon quick update on Tesla. Looks like it's going to be a confirmed short unless we have between now and 4 o'clock some magical headlines. Here's what we're looking at, folks. Straight up. This was an earlier flush down. Whoa. This is the 1 hour chart. Pre market, which was supposed to be like that bottom. And then, like, later throughout the day, we just could not, on the 1 hour, make it over or make new highs. And then once we dropped below, we just kind of did a flush and then settled at about 350, 150. And as of right now, we're on the 1 hour candle. There's about an hour and a half left in the day. And do we really feel like we're going to get back above the now what looks to be new resistance of 350, 350 to 65, right? Do we feel like that's going to happen today after everything that we've seen and the price momentum, the action, the volume is down. The bull bear trend is clearly the bears are in charge over the last few hours, all day, pretty much. So, do you fight the trend or do you just go with the flow? Go with the flow. So, I'm gonna go ahead and start. And let me see where are we at. I'm gonna initiate a short position on Tesla. You gotta, all right, here's straight up. I'm gonna be very transparent with the trade so everybody can see, what the philosophy is on this. How much time do you have to make your trade? Okay, let's just say it's a swing trade. I'm gonna give it till a couple days, end of this week, maybe even early next week. I'm willing to hold whatever amount that I'm gonna put into this short. I'm willing to hold it for, a couple days to a week. Now, I also have a certain amount that I'm willing to risk on this trade. So if I see that all of the levels that I'm looking at are not hitting and my trade is sound, then I'm gonna go ahead and be confident in that trade and expect to make money. So now what we're looking at on this hour is just weakness, right? If Tesla was going to break back out alongside of such a big red candle like this, you would have I would have expected to see some more movement here. So if at this point in the day and in the month and in everything that's going on that we are just hugging around this 350 zone, uh, we're going lower, right? So now I'm willing to say, okay, if I go short here, let's just say 350, 250. This is my trigger. As soon as that hits one more time, it's gonna, there it goes. I think I already got my entry. Yep. I think we're already there. Sorry, I don't have my glasses on right now. But there it goes. I just got the trigger. 350, 250. We're officially short on Tesla. So now imagine, all right, so now if this goes against me, I have a automatic stop loss, and my stop loss is going to be above, I would say, that 355 zone, where basically it would reverse trend. When you reverse trend, I mean, why it's not just a wick, it's a confirmation, right? Like, I hate getting stopped out. The market knows certain stop levels. So in this trade, I'm willing to go a little bit above what the market expects to be certain stops. So it's fine. Now, oh, but Lou, it didn't make a new low. Why would you, risk all of this? Well, that's the difference between the risk tolerance that I'm willing to take versus the risk tolerance that maybe somebody else could take or should take. Um, Myself, I'm a momentum trader, so when I see the level break, then I go in. I may not get the best level to get in, but I know that the momentum is going to be strong and I can make a quick trade because I don't like to stay in, honestly, I don't like to stay in trades for very long. And if I can make the same amount of money in a shorter period of time, I'm going to make it and close it and be done with it. So I have my stop here at a little bit above 55 level. Let's see, where was it? Where'd it go? My computer just chugs when I do live streams. I am definitely getting an upgrade, folks. Thanks. Yeah, 356. So it's pretty high. I'm willing to take that. But here we go. Let's back up. Day's about to close. And I would love to see this flush into the close to confirm our move. Now, here's a 4-hour. Now, since basically 4 o'clock in the morning on Valentine's Day, the bulls have just lost the steam, right? And now we're going into negative territory when it comes to that said steam. So it's unless we snap, there could be just a big not relief, because you hear relief rallies, but it's like a relief sell-off, if that makes any sense, to the folks that were just holding on for just maybe that last opportunity that they thought it would go up, and then when they see it, the price just tumble, it's just like a snowball effect and everything, and then it's like a liquidity effect, and a lot of liquidity happens, both retail and robots and everybody get involved into like an automatic sell-off. So there's definitely levels where based on the size that you took, you can start piecing out different, at different levels, or you can just hold on to where you expect it to go. So if it can't hold the 43, which I don't expect it to, if it does, if I see it bounce off of the 43, then I will consider just exiting my short and taking the small profit. But if I see that the 43 cannot hold, then I'm going to hold on, and or maybe start trimming 25% of my size. And then once I see the break down further, then I can make a decision. Okay, I'm getting closer to the prior lows. Do I want to take the chance that it bounce again? So I would take another 25% right here at probably at 320. And then just again, just observe the tape, see if it wants to continue down. And if so, then I now have basically 50% of my size available for any further down move. I fully expect this to go down and see 200s again, high 200s. Just the way price action has been, and just if you follow Tesla long enough, to know, when it's on its upward steam and everybody's just screaming, buy, 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 and then when there's just too many question marks and just you're going up against the grain per se. The tape doesn't lie, so that the tape is your friend. You look at the price action, look at where the where the where the price momentum is leaning. So right now, here's a 4-hour. Remember that long downward trend line that I had put in earlier? See, the blue line is just constantly is just now continuing on that nosedive down. So that's a leading indicator for me and giving me that confidence. That stochastic is definitely on the downtrend, and there's a whole lot of room down. And I would love to collect $50 to $60 on Tesla while everybody is panicking that the price is going down. I'm making money on your price deflation. It's just capitalism, folks. You just got to play the game and know where the money is going, know when to hold them and know when to fold them. So with that said, I'm going to let you guys go. Good luck into your close. If you have any questions, throw it into the chat. Like and subscribe. I appreciate and love all of you. Thanks again for your patience. My lips are probably going like a mile a second while it's like super slow and everything. So I apologize. Stay tuned for better upgrades.